What's up, one all? Series Asna here. It's been a while since I did a video, so today I have a unboxing video for you. It's just going to be of the Goji Polar White headphones, ones by Strider. So yeah, I'm just going to jump straight into that. And now on to the unboxing. I just picked these up today, and you can get them in Curry's and PC World. So yeah, your local shop. So I have tried them out. I actually thought they were pretty good, decent enough sounds with it. So yeah, let's give you a quick tour around the box. It's the front of it, side, one side, at the back of the box. Some information on the design. There's picture here, and you can open up and you can see just sort of it's a nice presentation for a box of this. And then you have a picture of the thing here, maybe sort of like an autograph there. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump straight into this unboxing. So yeah, here we go. It's packaged quite good enough, so it is. And they are actually cable ties. Yeah, what do you want to get this next? Rubbish. And here's the headphone itself. Comes with a sort of pouch carrier bag thing, and just there, just pretty nice. Have something I guess with it. And the cable itself, it's long enough. I wouldn't say it's too long, but you know, quite nice length cable. Maybe it's a bit long, but still quite nice enough. Design is nice enough. They feel that they have good enough padding on them. So, as you can see here, better look at them. And of course, you're able to adjust them with your head size here, to whatever your personal preference. And the cable, it's decent enough quality. Just a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. And then the case itself is different, and you also get the adapter for when you're traveling on the airplane. Them sort of adapters, which is generous enough. This is unusual design built. It also comes with an adapter. So if you want an amplifier or whatever it is, just a bigger headphone adapter. Unusual sort of casing. Still, I guess it's nice enough to have a case with this as well, so there is. And stuff like that. And the only thing else to get in the box is instructions. It gives you the availability and the range of different sort of headphones and other information like that. So yeah, that was a short boxing video of the Goji Polar White over here headphones by Strider. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment. Your sub will get my sub, vice versa. More videos to come. Spread my video whichever way you want. Thumbs up video, like, favorites, as I said, subscribe, your sub will get my sub, vice versa, and that. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next here. Bye.